On a cold Tuesday morning of -3 degrees at 8 o'clock in the morning, we're replacing a very old Centurion D3 that has given the client 20 years of service. So that pinion gear is completely worn out. Great motors, but today we're going to fit it, replace it with a Centurion D5 Evo, one of the last ones available. So interesting to see a steel base plate still intact after 20 years. Not much of corrosion, still lacquered tight into the ground. We'll just add a bracket or two just to weld it, just to give it some extra. So yeah, stay tuned. Right, on the Evos, we've had many clients filling the gearbox oil in at the DOS section, which is wrong. The oil needs to be filled into the gearbox here. So this is a red dipstick. We're just going to remove it, and then we're going to fill the oil and just get it quickly. So what we did is we cut the spout, and now that's a factory supplied oil, a bottle. Turn it upside down. You can let it run in, or you can just squeeze the bottle. Camera is obviously in the way, so it's just going to make it a little bit more difficult, but let me pause it and squeeze it. Alright, so we filled the gearbox with oil, and now if you put the dipstick back, and you check the level, you will see that it's just like a vehicle's dipstick. That's it. As always, we've engraved the gate motor serial numbers out onto the gate motor everywhere possible. So that is just to find the owner, if it needs to, if they do manage to steal our gate motor. So it's going to be unlikely that they're going to get it off, but yeah, cool. Enforcing the steel base plate, although it's already properly secured, we're just going the extra mile to prevent you from breaking the gate motor out and running off with it. We cannot just drill holes into the concrete where we want to, because we don't exactly know where the electrical wire is running from. So that's a risk that you are taking if you are deciding to drill holes everywhere into the concrete. Right, another installation of a Centurion D5 Evo completed. We've extended the anti-theft bracket to accommodate the Evo gate motor, because it's a little bit higher compared to the Centurion D3 and D5. That's it. Let's just see it run. Centurion D5 Evo.